I'm gonna show you how to use Telnet. Telnet is a program to access files on a remote computer in a remote location. First, go to Start, Run, go to Command Prompt, type in the command Telnet. It will go into the Microsoft Windows Telnet client. To open a host, type the command open, the IP address you want to Telnet, and the port, which is default as 23. It will attempt to connect, and success. It connected to a server, a Telnet server. Now the user is guest, and since this is a Telnet server, there's no password. I will start a new session because I have telnetted this server many times. Now I am inside a person's computer currently. I am able to do commands, usually commands that are restricted, or basically commands that normal user on the computer can access using command prompt. But there are restrictions in place, so a default user won't be able to delete, change, or remove files. But administrator account will be able to do these tasks. Okay, once you press help, it is like the regular command prompt style. You get a list of commands that you can do to change files, to read files, to copy files, etc. Now, I am going to access a file on this person's computer. I go in the directory, I find a file called Documents and Settings, and I'm in. I can display all the files inside. So I can delete it, but since this is not my computer, I will not delete it. Okay, this is one way to access Telnet using the Microsoft system. But there is a second way using another piece of software which is included with Windows. Go to Accessories, Communications, and Hyperterminal. Enter the name for the connection. So let's say Telnet. The host address is his IP address, and the port is 23. I'm going to use TCP/IP protocol to connect. As you can see, this is the same thing as the command prompt window. I could type in the password, type in the login, and since there's no password, I just skip it. I start a new session, and I can access his files once again. Also, I can delete files as usual. But since this is not my computer, I will not delete. Uh, and this is how to use Telnet. You close it and you want to disconnect. Thank you for watching my demonstration on how to use Telnet. Thank you.